ran my phone over. Good morning, guys. It is a Sunday. It's 7:42. It's very early. I am getting ready to go to church, but I am just gonna be letting you guys spend the next 2 days with me. Today's Sunday, tomorrow's Labor Day, so I think I'm going somewhere tomorrow too, but I was like, let me just take y'all with me, because why not? And I haven't vlogged in a minute, but I'm gonna fix my hair. I already picked out what I'm wearing to church, so that's one less thing that I have to do. But yeah, my hair looks so crazy. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish getting ready. I actually need to finish up my skincare. I don't know why I'm trying to do my hair right now, but yeah, do my skincare and then finish getting ready for church. Alright, so I'm ready for church. Here's the fit. I have some kitten heels. I think the kitten heels looks cute. I don't know, I might change them. I don't know. But here's the fit for church. So I'm ready to go. I am going to go make me some coffee, because definitely need some coffee. Hey y'all, I'm at church. We are at Outback. We finna eat. Yep. Finna eat. Hey guys, good morning. It is 8:34. It's Monday. Today's Labor Day. I think I'm going to the water park today. I'm not really 100% sure. I don't know. But like, it's early in the morning. But I need to straighten up my room, clean my room. Yesterday I literally forgot that I was vlogging. Like, I went out to eat, and then I went to Five Below, but I definitely forgot to vlog that. And the only thing I got from Five Below, I got this like cute phone case because I needed a new one, and I got my dog a toothbrush set thingy for his little teeth. But yeah, today's Labor Day. I'm up. I made me some coffee, get my room clean, and yeah, and y'all, yesterday I took a shower and I did my normal routine, and I broke out in like a little rash. I don't know if it's from, I think it's from the shower gel that I'm using, so I had to get me some different ones, or it might be the lotion that I'm using, because I use the EOS. I use this lotion, but it's never broken me out everywhere, and it's literally like my arms. It's literally only my arms that have like a rash all over my arms. So it's either that or it's this lotion, and I probably can't use the EOS scented lotion anymore, so my body is changing, which is weird. But yeah, so I gotta figure it out, because it looks so I gotta get me some cream or something. But yeah, so let me straighten out my room and go from there. I also need to hang up my clothes. I have a basket of clothes. So I'm gonna dump them out, sort them, and hang them up, because I have a lot of them. Let's do this. Hey y'all, good morning. Today is Tuesday. yesterday was Labor Day. We were supposed to go to the water park, but we didn't because we had to help my grandma move, and it took like all day for us to do, so we didn't get to go to the water park. But y'all, let me tell y'all what happened. So after we got done helping my grandmother move, no, before we went to start moving my grandma, I was like, Mom, can you take me to the store because I'm thirsty? She was like, yeah, sure. And then I got me like a snack or something stuff. So I go in the store. I had my phone in my pocket, and so I go in the store, you know, I get my snacks and stuff, and then I come back out. I never felt my phone, like my phone had fell out of my pocket and I didn't feel it. And I was like, Mom, you see my phone? And she was like, no. So we're looking around my car. I go back in the store. I'm asking the worker, have you guys seen my phone? They're like, no. And I'm asking the people outside, y'all see my phone? They're like, no. So I'm getting a little frustrated because I'm like, somebody had to see my phone. Like, I had just got this phone case, and I'm like, the phone, it's not that hard to, you know, it's a bright color. I'm describing them what the case looks like and stuff. So then my mom's like, Jada, your phone's under the car. And I'm like, under the car? Y'all, I ran, let me see if I turn this right now. I'll tell you guys something. I ran my phone over as I was backing up. My phone was under the car and I ran it over. It still works, but now I have like this line. You guys can see that I have this line in between my phone, and then the back of my phone is cracked. But yeah, so I have this line in my phone, but it still works and stuff. But I'm gonna get my screen fixed. Yeah, y'all, I ran my phone over. Like when I picked up my phone, because it was out of the case, when I picked up my phone and flipped my phone over, I was like, bro, what in the world? Yeah, so your girl ran her phone over, but she still works. But I gotta get my screen fixed. I'm like, oh my goodness. Yes, I was having such an interesting day yesterday, but it's all is well, all is well. But I don't really have much to do. I don't have nothing really to do today. Like my room's clean, everything's done. I did all my laundry, all of that's finished. There's nothing to do. I'm waiting for this video for TikTok to upload. It feels good to be back. I made me some coffee, but yeah, it says that I haven't posted a video in 12 days, and I was like, oh my gosh, because I haven't really been doing nothing. I posted a reel 14 days ago, my bad, but I posted a reel like 3 days ago. But video wise, I haven't posted in a minute, and yeah, but it feels good to be back. I'm trying to get videos, but it's like I don't really know what to post anymore because I don't want to keep being repetitive. And yeah, and I know fall's coming, so I don't know if I want to film like a transform my room like fall vibes, because I still have all of my fall stuff. So I don't know, I might do that. Let me know if y'all want me to do that. And I don't know if I should do like a fall morning routine, fall night routine, because I mean I can, you know, but just I don't know, just let me know if y'all want me to do that. But yeah, so I've been chilling, y'all. That's all. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys, I got a PR package the other day. I don't have the box anymore, but Touchline has sent me a few items. I love them. So they sent me this perfume. I forgot, this is the Sparkling Bergamot perfume. It smells so good. I gave this to my friend, so I gotta give this to her. But yeah, they sent me this cute perfume. Love the color, and I have more over here. And then they sent me a Bingo Mucho hand sanitizer. Love the hand sanitizer. It smells so good. I've had this one before as well. And they sent me a case to go to my hand sanitizer, which I was happy because the last case I had, I don't know what happened to it, but how cute is that? But yeah, they sent me these. Like, that's so cute. So cute. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that. I forgot to show you all that.